Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair clipper from iClipper, and it's a detachable hair clipper. So, stay tuned, man. All right. So, like I said before, it's a detachable hair clipper, a brushless one. And this clipper got 240 minutes charging time and 240 minutes operating time with a 2500 milliamp battery. So here you got the charging port, power button. You got the LED light here. And you got a 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with the 5 clicking lever, all moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all moves, which is good. And the clicking lever, the clicks, it's hidden. It's like a JRR clicking lever, which is hidden. As you can see. And the grooves that I really like. So this clipper reminds me of a mixture between Andy's Revite. I can't really remember if it's a Revite or something like that. It's a mixture of Andy's Revite and TPOB Troll. You can see. And so this is not the blade that comes with it. These are MRD blades, and the blade that comes with it was okay, it was good, only when it's lever closed, but when it's lever open, it doesn't cut anything. That's why I put on this blade, and with this blade it's cut perfectly. So as you can see, I made a tear down of this hair clipper already, and it's on my members only. So like I said before, it's a detachable one. So it's like I said, it's a mixture of Andy's Revite. So as you can see, everything the same, but this one is more better than the one of Andy's, simply because it's not easy to get out. So you need to use a little bit force before you can take it out. As you can hear, it's really strong, and the clicking lever is awesome, really good. And this place is a metal. It's metal. Here is really good. Here is not slippery at all. Here, I guess it's a hard plastic or something like that. And somehow it's a little bit heavy. You can feel it a little bit. Not too heavy and not too light. So, and it's not slippery at all. It's not slippery. Yo, I'm gonna make a giveaway I'm gonna make a giveaway these 2 hair trimmers, but these 2 hair trimmers are not new anymore. I'm gonna make a giveaway with these 2 ones. Okay, these 2 aside. Let's put it somewhere here. And it's gonna be this one. It's gonna be this one. So since this one is already here, it's gonna be this one, just black one. Okay, this one is new. And this one. So this one is the new one. So this one is already used. Yep. And when I'm gonna make the video of the giveaway, it's gonna be inside one of my unboxing video, so people will not really know it's a giveaway video. So the people that is really following me will win the giveaway. That's how I'm gonna do it. And stay tuned, man. So peace.